So if you've been looking for a smartwatch for your kids, look no further. Today I've got the Garmin Bounce smartwatch, which has a lot of benefits for you as a parent, and your kids have some fun as well. Next to the Explorer X6 Play that I recently reviewed, the Garmin Bounce is the next big name that you should look out for. So I've been wearing this childish smartwatch on my wrist for the last couple of days, and there are some good and some bad things about it. Alright, first of all, and the probably most important feature that I would look for if I'm getting my kids a smartwatch: can I reach them? How long is the battery life? And can I find them when my kids have the smartwatch on their wrist? So let's start with those three questions. So how long is the battery life? On normal usage, you can expect to get around 2 to 3 days out of it, which isn't half bad. And that's with a 10-minute GPS workout, only a few notifications, and with the medium display brightness. Of course, that number can be a little bit higher or lower depending on your usage, but charging it every 2 days should be enough. The next big question is if I can reach my kids and can I find them if they get lost. So can I call them on the watch? Can I send some text messages, or can they even reply? And how do I find them? And that's where we have to talk about. Now this one is probably the only obstacle, and that is that you have to get a paid subscription. Unlike with the Explorer X6 Play, on which you can reach your kids for free and find them with live tracking, on a Garmin Bounce you either have to commit to a 1-year contract that costs 110 euros, or you have to renew your subscription every month for 11. But once you've done this, you can send text and voice messages, your kids can reply to them, and you can track your kids down anytime you want to. Now that we got the main questions to this smartwatch answered, let's check out all of its features, specs, and sport modes. Since this one is still a Garmin watch, we get a base set of sport modes such as walking, running, cycling, swimming, and you get other, which you can use for anything else. Now before you start your walking and running workouts, the watch asks you if it's indoor or outdoor, plus you get a few more options to play around with, like the time and distance alerts, or if you want to see your pace. In the Garmin Junior app, you can look at all of your previous workouts and your route, which is pretty precise, which I'm used to from Garmin devices. By the way, this watch has no health functions such as a heart rate, SpO2, or stress tracking, and only a movement-based sleep tracking. I think it's a big part to mention about the smartwatch, but it's not that bad on a kid's smartwatch since the focus is on the communication with your kids. The sleep tracker tracks your deep and light sleep, as well as your time awake and the time you went to bed and wake up. Now, in your workout section, you will find also a few games. The first one is a little math application with some simple calculations, and the other one is a puzzle slider that definitely keeps your children busy for a while. The top left are some applications that you can only use with a paid subscription, and the bottom left you will find a timer, stopwatch, alarm, and your different watch faces. Overall, there are 8 different watch faces that you can choose from, of which only the first 2 are customizable. Right here you can only change the color of the numbers and the dial. But the selection of dials could be a little bit bigger, and I think there are definitely better ones for kids out there. I mean, you get some simple to read digital watch faces and some analog watch faces, but that's it. So as you could already see, we have a rather big 1.3-inch LCD touch display with a resolution of 240 by 240 pixel, a rather soft silicone strap which you can swap out. The Garmin Bounce is water resistant up to 5 ATM, weighs in at 37 grams, and overall is a 42mm in size, which could be a little bit too big for kids and their tiny wrists. If you swipe down from your home screen, you will get to your quick panel with your brightness settings, DMD mode, flashlight, your activities, and a few more. Swiping left and right is taking you through all of your different tasks like your active minutes for the day, daily steps, a weather widget, and a summary of your stats, which also includes your past workouts. And guys, that's already it for today and the Garmin Bounce smartwatch kits. If you liked the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more daily reviews. And if you are interested in more kids smartwatches, make sure to click on this video right here to get right to it. And with that being said, I will see you in the next one. Peace.